Welcome back, everyone. Look, if you're a cloud, database, or IT ops pro, you already know the daily grind of dealing with system logs. Today, we've got a fantastic explainer lined up for you. We're going to explore how to transform chaotic, raw log data into pure, actionable intelligence using Oracle Cloud Infrastructure's logging analytics. We're going to see exactly how to build a rock-solid observability framework that actually does the heavy lifting for us. So I have to ask, are you actually extracting maximum value from your raw log data? For so many IT teams, let's be honest, logs are just overwhelming them with unstructured noise. It's terabytes of text that just sit there doing nothing until something breaks. But what if those logs were functioning as a strategic asset instead? What if they could predict the break before it even happens? Okay, let's dive into this. Here's our architectural blueprint for today's explainer. 1. The power of log data. 2. Ingest and parse like pros. 3. Securing sensitive log data. 4. Extract, enrich, and detect. And 5. Scaling with community knowledge. Section 1. The power of log data. Moving beyond a simple monitoring tool? To really get value out of OCI logging analytics, we have to stop thinking of it as just software that stores text. It's a comprehensive observability framework. This crucial point is summarized perfectly by this quote from our source material. OCI logging analytics is not just a tool but a strategic asset for organizations seeking to leverage their data for competitive advantage and innovation, right? It's a strategic asset. By offering advanced log parsers, data filters, and enrichment features, it gives businesses a robust framework to monitor system health and optimize operational efficiency. And this isn't just for tech companies. This applies across multiple sectors, from high-stakes cybersecurity to healthcare and finance, giving organizations a true competitive advantage. All right, Section 2. Ingest and parse like pros, building the foundation with parsers and sources. The first absolutely crucial step in any data pipeline is getting your data into the system smoothly. I mean, you can't analyze what you haven't parsed, right? OCI Logging Analytics offers hundreds of Oracle-defined sources and parsers out of the box, but you will inevitably need to adopt them. So there's a progressive, three-step approach to parsing here. Step 1 is to customize those existing Oracle-defined sources. If that doesn't quite fit your needs, Step 2 empowers you to duplicate and clone that content to make it your own. And if you have a highly specific format, like one of those massive multi-line Spring Boot Aerostack traces, Step 3 allows you to build a parser entirely from scratch using the guided regex tool, which is based right on Java Platform's standard regular expressions. What's really interesting about how Oracle handles these customizations is the protection it offers. When you customize an Oracle-defined source, like OCI audit logs, you don't have to worry about breaking the system. Logging Analytics keeps your customizations safely tucked away in user namespaces, while the original content stays right there in the system namespace. This means you continue to receive all the latest system updates from Oracle without ever overwriting or destroying your unique custom parsers. It's definitely the best of both worlds. Moving on to Section 3. Securing sensitive log data. Compliance and data masking in action. Listen, if you're a database admin or IT ops pro, security and compliance are likely what keep you up at night. Protecting sensitive information hidden within millions of log lines is a massive priority. And this brilliantly illustrates how OCI handles that exact anxiety. A raw log entry exposing a clear 16-digit bank account number is immediately handled by the data filters feature. That bank account number is entirely masked and replaced by asterisks. You can do this for IP addresses, user IDs, credit cards, or even use it for data transformation, like automatically converting the text 16K to the number 16,000 before it's even processed. But it's fascinating to see exactly where this masking happens, which is a critical distinction for compliance. If you're sending log data via on-demand upload or from an object store, the masking happens cloud-side, right before the data is indexed. But if you are collecting logs using the management agent, those logs are masked on premises, before the content ever even leaves your secure environment. Section 4. Extract, enrich, and detect. Making logs intelligent. Okay, so we've parsed our logs, we've secured the sensitive data, and now we enter the enrichment phase. This is where flat, raw text is transformed into intelligent, structured data that directly drives high-stakes outcomes. There are 3 incredibly powerful features here. First up, extended fields. This lets you extract additional data beyond the base parser, for example, specifically grabbing Oracle ORA error codes straight from a database alert log message field. Next is field enrichment, which integrates external intelligence. Think mapping client IP addresses and web access logs directly to specific geographic locations. Finally, labels. You can actually set conditions so that if a session status returns a keyword like no comms or interrupted, it automatically tags the log with a medium priority label right at ingestion. This drastically speeds up your error detection and troubleshooting. And taking field enrichment a step further, we have threat intelligence enrichment. Guys, this is a real game changer for security operations. As log data is ingested, this feature automatically compares incoming source IP addresses against known threat databases. If there's a match, boom, it automatically populates a threat IPs field and slaps a high problem priority label on it. Just imagine using this on your database listener alert logs to instantly flag malicious access attempts without lifting a single finger. Which brings us to Section 5, Scaling with Community Knowledge, leveraging the Oracle O&M GitHub repository. Up until now, we've explored what you can build all by yourself. But shifting from individual, manual effort to massive community scale is where the magic really happens. You don't have to build every single custom parser or dashboard in a vacuum. Oracle maintains a quick start GitHub repository, packed with knowledge content created by subject matter experts. You can instantly import log sources, parsers, and full visualization dashboards for major targets. We're talking out-of-the-box content for the Oracle eBusiness Suite, Oracle Integration Cloud, Security Fundamentals dashboards, and Oracle Database Apex monitoring. The community has literally already done the heavy lifting for you. Conclusion: joining the Oracle Cloud community. So we've taken an incredible journey through the data pipeline today, taking chaotic logs, parsing them efficiently, masking the sensitive bits, and enriching them with threat intelligence and geolocation. The absolute biggest takeaway here is do not reinvent the wheel. Jump into the Oracle Cloud Customer Connect Observability and Management community. It is a fantastic space to pose questions, connect with other IT and database experts, and share your own successful parser configurations or dashboard ideas. And I want to leave you with this final thought. Now that you have the tools and the architecture to transform absolute chaos into brilliant clarity, what hidden story will your log data reveal next? Seriously, the answers to your biggest IT challenges are probably already written right there in your logs. You just needed the right framework to actually read them. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and happy analyzing.